Hello everyone, how are you? This is a Al Amin. Today I want to talk about my daily tasks. So let's start. First of all, thank you for give me your valuable time. I wish I could visiting another country one day. That's why I try to a little bit practicing speaking English day by day. I believe if I make video for myself, then I will able to do fluent speaker as soon as possible. I need to fluent speaker as well as I need to making money because this world is very hard for whose person this person don't have money. That's why I want to make lots of money as much as possible. That's why I am looking forward any kind of job. Today I got one job. This job's name billing connection working. This job I think having a very hard because it's having a hard and struggle working. I should be go for work because I have no money as well as I am also poor. That's why I go to the work as soon as possible. I think it's time for myself having a hard time because I try to make a lots of money, but my family was poor and my country currently situation is very bad for student. However, I didn't care people because this world as a lots of person are bad. That's why I didn't care about people. I am only care about myself, and I am learning for day by day a new skill as much as possible. In my village, I saw a lots of person are couldn't find jeep job because I think lots of person are jobless as much as it's a including very bad situation in my village. Actually, I am work hard as well as I am trying to talking myself in my front of my camera because I hardly if I make at last one video as well as try to talking about myself, then I will able to fluent speaker as well as my communication skills and leadership skill is growing. That's why I try a little bit practicing speaking English as much as possible. As I am also jobless as well as I am make a lots of money. It's important for international language learning. I believe if I do it for daily, then I will able to one day. So in this time, I am still beside the big fund. Additionally, I am believe myself as much as I try to conversation. It's English for many people. So that's all about me. Thank you everyone for your patience hearing.